Hey guys, now as you can see here, I'm getting prepared for something dirty, and just like the other person, I like to get dirty, but I just like to protect myself and put some sense to it. So here I'm just suiting up right before I jump in and get to cutting. Enjoy. Hey, it's me again. So a few things happened with the shower base, and essentially it wasn't draining properly. A few things were thrown out of whack. Here, you see me cutting it up because, yes, it is a foam product, but it does not come out easily. So I have to hit it with a hammer. I had to take off some of the top tiles. I had to cut it into various pieces just to get to where I'm at right now. You see me cutting diagonals, essentially doing anything and everything that I can to get these pieces up in some coherent fashion, because I didn't want to shred the whole thing and then have to move pulverized, foam and tile out. So I just cut it up into manageable pieces, went around the corners, cleaned everything up as best as I could, and I went back and vacuumed some more. Then after that, I did the next best thing. I sealed all the corners with spray foam, just so when I came back and poured my self-leveling compound, I would not have that stuff seeping downstairs or seeping underneath the walls or anything of that sort. So here, I just took my time, pushed it into the corners, pushed it into the base, pushed it right up against the base plate of the wall right behind me and around the curve as well. Did that all the way around and left it to cure. Now next time when I go back, I'm just going to be pouring the self-leveling compound and moving on from there, taping it everything and sealing up that hole right next to the drain that you're going to see later. Alright, follow along, definitely like this video, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you around.